Hello everybody, today we're going to be baking blueberry muffins.
I didn't tell you to go yet. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be baking
blueberry muffins.
We've been trying to spend more time together as a family, and since I love baking, I thought it would be a great way to just incorporate Alexis. Dean's playing video games right now, or else he would normally be with us. But this is definitely a therapeutic thing for me. I love to bake, and I just thought that it'd be fun to include Alexis in this video today. And of course Zoe. I'm bouncing up and down because she is not asleep yet. So that is what's going on. Let's get started. you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. We put out new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I look forward to serving up some new content in the future. Enjoy!